Hi, my name is Jennifer Nassia. I'm Assistant Curator here at PAM. We're very excited to present the exhibition From the True World of the Other, typewriter art from PAM's collection, not only because the works are truly exceptional, but because we recently acquired them from the Sackner Archive of Concrete and Visual Poetry. The exhibition explores how artists and poets have used the typewriter machine as a tool for artistic and poetic expression. These individuals are able to really create these fascinating optical illusions and geometric abstractions. The title of the exhibition is borrowed from a work by Dom Sylvester Huidard. He was one of the very first English language concrete poets, but it's also important to note that he was a Benedictine monk. So it's interesting to see him using the typewriter almost as a spiritual instrument to express these metaphysical concepts within many of his compositions.